Hi, this is Maria and I am super excited for the new release of this amazing and powerful Fibonacci indicator, Fibo Quantum. Fibo Quantum is an unbeatable Fibonacci indicator with explosive profit and easy to use. But first, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Also, remember, trading the financial markets, including Forex, involves high risk, so never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Now, let's talk about Fibo Quantum. Fibo Quantum is a Fibonacci phase indicator for MetaTrader 4, not an EA or robot, that works on all pairs and in the time frames of 15 and 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily. Fibo Quantum comes with a step-by-step user guide with screenshots, special tips, and trading rules. It will help you get the most out of this new indicator. Every time there is a new trading opportunity, Fibo Quantum generates a unique set of levels. Each set includes buy, entry level, plus a stop loss and 3 take profit levels, or sell, entry level, plus stop loss and 3 take profit levels. You can see it here in the screenshot. Here is the sell signal and the take profit, 3 take profits and the stop loss. Or you can have a buy signal and have the 3 take profits and the stop loss. As you can see, it's amazing really. Whenever a new set of levels is generated or an entry level is reached, Fibo Quantum will inform you via pop-up sound alert, email alert, or a push notification sent to your mobile. Important. Here, you can see this is the pop-up notification and the alerts with built-in smart Fibonacci technology. Levels never repaint. If you get a new set of levels, you can be confident with them. The indicator will not change its mind and reposition the levels. The legendary Fibonacci principle combined with our special unique algorithms enables Fibo Quantum to give you reliable and powerful price levels that you can use to make easy and profitable trades. No repaint, powerful and reliable buy-sell levels. 3 types of signal alerts. Here are the 3 types of signal alerts: conservative mode, medium mode, and aggressive mode. In the conservative mode, you get the signals frequency normal, safety high, volatility detection optimal, low risk. This is recommended. Medium mode, signals frequency high, safety average, volatility detection sensitive, moderate risk. And the aggressive mode are signals frequency extreme, safety low, volatility detection highly sensitive, high risk. You decide which signal mode you want to trade. 3 types of signal alerts and built-in multiple trading styles will ensure that you make the most profit possible. Really, I am 100% confident that you will be happy with the brand new Fibo Quantum indicator. I will leave the link for this amazing indicator below the video. So, please check it out. You will not regret it. Also, if you have questions or comments, please leave them below this video. I am always answering every comment or question I got from you. And as always, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Believe me, this this new Fibonacci indicator is amazing. You will not regret it, especially if you follow the rules. Many times the indicator does not work, not because the indicator is a bad indicator, but because we don't follow the rules. So please read the step-by-step user guide and follow the rules they will give you. I will post the rules tomorrow in a new video, and you will see Fibonacci in my MetaTrader 4 and in my graphics, so you can see it live. How does it work? So until tomorrow, until next time, bye bye.